Larken's approach to commercial real estate is different because they typically take a long-term, hands-on approach with the property. My name is Scott Horner. I'm the Vice President of Retail in the Lehigh Valley, and I work for Colliers International. I think of Larken's long-term approach to their properties are, typically they might buy a property that needs some work or is underdeveloped, but what they'll do is they'll put time, money, and energy into the property, which helps the tenants understand that the landlord's there to help the property grow and gives them confidence that the landlord's there for the long run. Our clients respond positively to Larken-owned and managed properties, usually because they get quick responses, they're very thorough, does a very good job at keeping their properties in tip-top shape, and they're positioned in really strong locations within the market, which helps them succeed. So I believe Larken has reached a milestone in business because they're very good at what they do. They treat their clients, their brokers, everyone with respect. We feel like teammates, not employees, and they're just a great company to work with.